Working with Jamar was a wonderful experience. They came out and replaced the entire roof in 2 days, and David Phillips was so nice to work with, and everybody on his staff was very professional. And I think my favorite thing was they totally cleaned up the yard and the roof after they'd finished with the job. One thing that I loved that they offered was a continuous vent that went along the roof. It allows heat to escape from the attic so that during the summers our energy bills can be a little bit lower, and it extends the life of the roof because it's not damaged by having the heat up against it all the time, and we thought that was a real good feature. You know, to me it's a plus to work with a company that's local so that you can actually physically visit their office and see the different shingle colors and see who you're going to be working with, and they can answer your questions directly. We were very, very pleased. I would highly recommend them to anybody that needs a roof replacement or a roof repair.